it's Erin. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset a maintenance light in my 2010 Prius. This video applies to 2010 to 2015 Priuses. And so I have a lot of other Prius content. You can check out my Prius playlist, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light. So to turn the power on, but not the engine, you want to hit the power button twice. And then let it do its thing. And once it pops up here, you're going to want to make sure it's on trip A. So there it is, it's on trip A. Then you're going to want to shut it off again. And then we're going to press the button twice again, but you're going to hold in this kilometer per hour button. So as you can see, it's resetting oil maintenance data. Complete. And that's that. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I have a lot of other Prius content, so you can check it out, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.